Okay guys, so this is one of the best bridges that I have seen in Scotland so far. This is the bridge called Skye Bridge.
Gets you to the island of Skye.
So from the mainland, if you want to go to Isle of Skye, you pass this
Or you can get a ferry.
the bridge right here. So it's pretty cool. And opposite in front of us, there's like a ruined castle that I'm gonna take you to see that too. Hello guys, so as you guys can see, this is not actually the castle, this is the dock. So it's just a dock here, and this is the lighthouse. So it's just an empty lighthouse. It's a ruined lighthouse. So when we walk to the other side of the lighthouse, then we can see the bridge. It's the Skye Bridge. So I'm gonna let you see what we have here. So as you can see, it's a pretty amazing bridge indeed. You cross from the mainland over here to the Isle of Skye, which we are in now, and just over it, it's pretty much just the dock, and everything is really amazing here, as you guys can see.